Harvard researchers have shown that consultants using ChatGPT were able to produce more outputs faster and at a significantly higher quality. Don't you also want to improve your efficiency, productivity, potentially improving your motivation, allowing you to spend more time on what matters to you? So to do so, you could use ChatGPT, but you should use it properly. And indeed, I realize that most people don't use ChatGPT or stop using it because of three myths that are unjustified. And I'm going to show you exactly how to overcome those myths or those potential unjustified problems. What are the solutions? So after more than a year working every day on ChatGPT, discussing with other researchers, doing research on ChatGPT and writing articles, I decided that it was time for me to share with you everything that I learned that might allow you to use ChatGPT efficiently, to use it where it's useful and avoid using it where it might be misleading.